Describing your family. My name is Ana Maria Lopez. My family. My mom is 87 years old and my son is 27 years old. They are the love of my life. Profession and origin. My mom is retired and my son is publicist. She is from Manizales and he from Pereira. Physical description. My mom had black hair and brown eyes, and my son had blonde hair and brown eyes. She is short and he is tall. What are you using? My mom is wearing a blue blouse with red, and my son is wearing a pink shirt. They are both wearing blue jeans. Game. My mom is very kind and ingoing, and my son has nice smile and is outgoing. My mom likes to play bingo and he likes soccer. My mom cooks very rich and her specialty is empanadas. She also likes to make crab. My son is a caricaturist and likes to draw famous people. Thank you very much.